To transfer data from your old phone to a new iPhone, you can use several methods depending on whether your old phone is an iPhone or an Android. Here are the steps for both scenarios. From an old iPhone to a new iPhone, using Quick Start. Turn on your new iPhone and place it near your old iPhone. Quick Start screen would appear on your old iPhone. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Use your Apple ID to set up your new iPhone. Wait for an animation to appear on your new iPhone. Hold your old iPhone over the new one and center the animation in the viewfinder. Wait for a message that says Finish on new iPhone. Enter your old iPhone's passcode on your new iPhone. Follow the instructions to set up Face ID or Touch ID on your new iPhone. Enter your Apple ID password on your new iPhone. You'll have the option to restore your apps, data, and settings from your most recent iCloud backup, or you can choose to update your backup and then restore. Keep both iPhones close to each other until the data transfer process is complete. Using iCloud Backup. Back up your old iPhone to iCloud. Connect your old iPhone to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings greater than your name, greater than iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now. Turn on your new iPhone. Follow the setup steps until you see the Apps and Data screen. Tap Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign into iCloud with your Apple ID. Choose the most recent backup. Wait for the transfer to complete. From an Android phone to a new iPhone, using Move to iOS. Download the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Turn on your new iPhone and begin the setup process. On the Apps and Data screen, select Move Data from Android. Open the Move to iOS app on your Android phone and tap Continue. Agree to the terms and conditions and tap Next. Enter the code displayed on your iPhone into the Move to iOS app on your Android phone. Select the data you want to transfer, e.g., contacts, message history, photos, videos, web bookmarks, mail accounts, and calendars. Tap Next on your Android phone. Wait for the transfer process to complete, then continue setting up your iPhone. Additional tips. Ensure both devices are fully charged or connected to power sources. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network during the transfer process. Keep the devices close together until the transfer is complete. If you have a large amount of data, the transfer might take some time, so be patient. By following these steps, you should be able to transfer your data from your old phone to your new iPhone smoothly.